bata dire. Taga-Fortune siya. She says her father's name is Franco. So please i-check ninyo ang inyong mga bata kaya kasi asa sila mga karoon.
Alright, here we go for the competing float entry number 4 for a big category. We have Kiss and Lulans. Diverse culture but with a single beat. Moving to different directions but going on a similar path. In Davao, we can see various faces from different walks of life. However, we feel what overflows within. That is the common bliss of life, the life that only our city, Davao City, can make us experience. Is assorted movements pulled by a central force. The force to greater heights, elevating abundance of blessings. The force to prosperity. The difference makes us similar.
Our similarity makes us unique.
Only in Davao it is here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all together hail the 10 tribes which make Davao as one. 10 tribes, one vibe.
From the Kisan Lulans Incorporated.
Make some noise, Kisan Lu!
The 10 tribes, no? Mga giants.
Mga ilang represent sa ato ang 10 tribes. And one vibe. Ayan ang ating tema this year, Don. So what can you say about sa kanilang ginapakita ka float this morning, Don?
Oh, very unique, no? I mean, it's the first time to see these big guys, you know, parang ala mascot
Oo,
ng ating mga ng ating mga different tribes, no?
Unique ka ayo.
Unique, very unique ang ilang presentation for this year.
I'm sure the whole chance tanawa pang itutuki ang ilang float na pag mga
Galing.
galing, no? Very